Let's proceed to another example in multiplying monomials. So we have here 6x y raised to 4 times 7x squared y raised to 5. So again, in multiplying monomials, we will multiply the coefficient by the coefficient, variables by the variables, using the product rule. So let's start with the coefficient. 6 times 7, that is equal to 42. So 42. Then for the variable, okay, we multiply the variable with the same base. So we have here x multiplied to x raised to 2. So remember, this variable x will have an exponent of 1. So we copy the base, x, and then we add our exponent, 1 plus 2. Okay, next let's proceed to the variable y. We are going to multiply y raised to 4 and y raised to 5. So copy the variable y and then add the exponent, 4 plus 5. Okay, then let's simplify our variable. So we will have 42, the product of 6 and 7, times x raised to 1 plus 2, that will be 3, and y raised to 4 plus 5. So 4 plus 5 is 9. So that's it. Our product of these two monomials will be 42 x raised to 3 y raised to 9. Ta-da! Alright. And that is it. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you have comments, questions, recommendations, suggestions for my next video, please leave them in our comment section below. Share this video and subscribe. And for more videos like this, you can go to my channel, Teacher Justin. And that is it for today. Again, I'm Teacher Justin. Goodbye, God bless, and stay safe. See you on my next video. Peace.